Hi everyone, today's video is something that I'm starting new here and I am really excited about it. I haven't seen anybody do this. So I think I'm making it up. If somebody's done something similar, I haven't seen it, so I'm not trying to like steal anybody's thunder. But what I'm doing is I'm calling it my weekly product pan. And so I have a entire makeup collection rolling project pan. I'll link the most recent update of that down below because I really love doing it. And what I do is I have a spreadsheet right here. I'll show you. That's just a white screen so you can't really tell, but it's a spreadsheet of every single makeup item that I own by pan, if that makes sense. So like if you have an eyeshadow palette, I have each pan listed. And what I do in that project pan is I random.org, pick a number, and whatever number that corresponds with, I have to finish that product up completely. And I love doing that. And I love getting to choose something. It's like my absolute favorite part. I think it's so much fun. And because of that, the way that pan is, I have no say over what I'm panning. So I don't give you monthly updates or anything. I just update you when I finish items. And it's really hard to finish items because like I said, I have no, like right now I think there's like 4 or 5 brown eyeshadows in there. So I thought, kind of a continuation of that, I was going to do this every single week. So every Monday, I'm going to pick a product. And I'm going to work on that and wear it every single day that week. So if it's an eyeshadow, like if it's a neon green eyeshadow, I'm going to have a week of neon green eyeshadow. And then by the end of it, I can give you a really good review of that one single item, but I'd also have a little bit of use on it. And it'll be a way to help me kind of, rotate even more through my collection. It'll be 52 more items that I'm really getting use out of. And even if it's something that I'm already panning, it'll be like, okay, because a lot of times like I have like I don't know, between all my pans, I'm probably panning like 15 or 20 different eyeshadows. So I can't wear each one of my lids every day, but I will have to wear it every single day I wear makeup. I usually wear makeup 5 to 6 times a week. The weekends get a little iffy. Weekdays I wear it every day. Weekends it just depends on what we're doing. So let's just get into it. I feel like it's going to be really easy, like once you see a couple updates. So yeah, let's just get into it. So on my list, I have 2,097, which is a lot. I just got a really huge Ulta palette thing from John Sister, so that's why it went up so much. It was like a 96-piece collection. So anyway, 1 to 2,097, let's press generate. 1,178. So go up about half, 1,178, is that right? Yeah. So, funnily enough, that's actually in my Vice 4 palette. And if you don't know, I'm actually trying to use up this shade Flame for my 17 by St. Pat's project pan. So I'll link that below. I'll link my whole project pan playlist. That'll probably be the easiest because then there's like any project pan you want to see. So what came out is the shade Deadbeat, which, okay, Deadbeat is this shade. So it's a sparkly black. And that's kind of a cool shade actually. It's cooler like in a swatch than it is in the pan because it's like a graphite. It's like a deep gray, not really a black. Kind of like that. So, here we are, this shade. I'm not probably going to be able to hit pan or really make that much progress in just a week for this product. There are definitely items on here that I could use up in a week, no doubt. So that's kind of another thing. It's like sometimes it'll be like, okay, cool, you just use one eyeshadow for a week. But it's still, I use that eyeshadow for an entire week, and so I got some good use out of it. So, we're going to use this shade every single day from now until next Monday. Now, just because of how life works, there might be some Mondays I can't update, and if I can't update it, that means I'm going to have to use it every day until I do update. Every day until the next Monday. So there might be like 2 weeks of use out of some products. So, Deadbeat every single day from now until next Monday, and then we'll talk about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I just love getting to choose something. I just think it's the most fun. So this eyeshadow will be in every single look I do from now until Monday. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, legitimately, please leave me any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. I love talking to y'all. Oh, I got some hair on my eyeballs. It is one of my favorite things. I love it. I think it's so much fun to like chit chat with y'all and really like form relationships through the internet. I think that's great. And I always want to make videos you want to see. So if there's something you want to see, let me know. I've been doing a ton of requested videos lately, and I really like that. I mean, like I always say, within reason, I'm not going to do something I'm not comfortable with or something that I feel like doesn't really fit with me. But in general, you know, I like doing that. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.